Hey guys, what's up people of the world? This is Mix D and you're watching the Mix Derulo channel. In today's video guys, meron na naman tayong testingin na Bluetooth microphone speaker. So, eto yan, yung ating Wester WS1860. Eto, makikita nyo, kakaiba yung itsura ng Bluetooth microphone na to guys, no? Makikita nyo para siyang condenser microphone ng itsura. Pero napakagandang Bluetooth microphone nito guys, because aside from sa function niya as karaoke, meron siyang voice changer at meron siyang radio guys. So yan yung isa sa kagandahan ng Bluetooth microphone na to guys. So ito yung ating gagamitin na Bluetooth microphone, para siyang condenser microphone, no? So i-on natin, i-connect muna natin siya dito sa cellphone na to.
The Bluetooth device is ready to pair.
Ayan, ready to pair. So, itong Bluetooth microphone is ipe-pair natin dito sa cellphone. Check natin kung lumitaw na siya. Punta tayo sa setting ng ating cellphone. Setting. So, i-connect na natin siya. Hintayin na.
The Bluetooth device is connected successfully.
Yan, connected successfully. So, gumagana yung ating Bluetooth microphone, no? Ayan. As I was saying nga pala, meron siyang voice changer, no? I-testing natin yung voice changer niya. Ito yung voice changer niya, no? I-testing natin sa normal na sound ng microphone. Sound check. Hello, sound. Yung tunog ng microphone, pag ginagamit mo siya normal, para siyang may, auto-tune guys. So, parang medyo may pagka-robotic, no? So, yan yung regular sound niya. I-testing naman natin ngayon yung voice changing function niya. Sound. Hello, sound. Check. Ayan. Hello, sound. Parang bata. Alright? Okay. 4 yan guys, no? Ito yung pangalawa. Sound check. Hello, sound. Ayan. So, medyo matining din. Matining ang sound. Pangatlo, sound check. Hello, sound. Oh, napakababa ng boses ko, no? Sound. Mic test. Hello, sound. So, yun yung pangatlo. Yung pang-apat, sound check. Hello, sound. Parang demonyo, no? Pwede mong gamitin to sa prank, oh. Pwede ka mong prank. Halimbawa, tapatawag ka sa phone. Ito, gamitin mo yung voice changing, no? So, yan yung 4 na voice changing function niya. At saka, ang sabi ko, sabi ko kanina, meron siyang radio. Pwede siyang gamitin as a radio.
Aux input mode. The radio mode.
Ayan, radio mode. Okay, so naka-radio siya. Subukan natin maghanap ng istasyon. Ayan, yan yung radio function niya guys, no? So, gumagana siya, no? May radio, di ba? Alright, okay. Stop na natin. Baka copyright tayo dyan. Alright, so gumagana siya. Ayan, nakakonect na siya. Pakinggan natin yung sound niya pag nagpatugtog tayo ng music. So, ayan, gumagana siya guys, no? So, yan yung pinaka-sound niya. Gamit-gamit tong Bluetooth microphone. And then, of course, as I was saying, Bluetooth speaker siya with built-in microphone. Test natin yung microphone kung gumagana even though meron siyang music. Sound check. Hello, sound. Ayan. So, imagine nyo kung nagkakaraoke kayo, karaoke backtracks, pwede, di ba? Pwede. Sige, sample natin. So, ayan yung backtracks from karaoke. Yan. When I'm gone, will you take good care of everything? Will you keep wearing your wedding ring? When I'm gone, when I'm gone, will you take all the photographs? Maybe spending the moments in the past. When I'm gone. Ayan, ganun lang kasimple, di ba? sound check, hello sound. Ayan, di ba klarong-klaro yung karaoke backtracks, guys? When I'm all alone, pretending love will come along, and even when you're gone, still that love lingers on. Then suddenly I face such emptiness, and on the evening just like this brings loneliness. Alright, diba? Napakaganda na ng karaoke setup gamit ang Bluetooth microphone. Okay, shout out to everyone. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Once again, this is Mix D. Keep on loving and keep on singing. Paalam, maraming salamat.